has a car on it too.
Very strange. The engine probably just died or something.
It's still making noise.
Why else would it be? I can't tell if that's a tow truck or... But it does sort of sound like it's coming from there.
It's the truck. And that.
Yeah. So why is it there? Very strange. Huh. Interesting. Yeah, we missed the best part.
What?
We must have gotten properly stuck on there.
So how did they get it unstuck?
I don't know. That's why I said we missed the best part.
Why were you trying to turn it?
So I can get more in the shot. Wide angle. This will be good.
They're watching from the house.
How much battery do you have left?
95.
Okay.
What's he doing that again for?
I think he's trying to get... So he is trying to go left, I bet.
Don't fuck Howard.
What? Oh.